Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, gather your essential tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Make sure you have the correct replacement handle for your vehicle. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's 12-volt battery before starting any work. This ensures no accidental electrical shorts occur during the process. Next, we will remove the interior door panel. Begin by carefully locating and removing all visible screws, often found in the armrest or behind a small cover. Use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges of the panel, releasing the clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for switches or lights before fully detaching the panel. This step requires patience to avoid damaging the trim. With the door panel removed, you can now access the handle mechanism. Carefully peel back the plastic vapor barrier, which is usually held on by a sticky sealant, to expose the inner workings. Locate the two rods or cables connected to the back of the exterior door handle and carefully detach them. Then, unbolt the two retaining bolts that secure the handle assembly to the door frame from the inside. This frees the old handle. Now it is time to install your new door handle. Carefully position the new handle into the exterior opening, ensuring it sits flush. Reconnect the two rods or cables to the new handle, making sure they are securely fastened and operate smoothly. Then, tighten the two retaining bolts from the inside. Finally, reattach the vapor barrier, reconnect all electrical connectors, and carefully reinstall the door panel, testing the new handle's function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.